Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Faith and welcome to the Access Code. So it's April and it's fourth day. So today I'm going to prank my parents that I don't have anything at school. That I'm broke and there's nothing at all in my cabinet. So I've removed everything. So happy the prank rocked and yeah, thanks mom, thanks dad. I'm sorry for pranking you. Sorry kwa kuwachocha lakini that's the life. This month we are introducing this audiobook by the name Danu, so make sure you listen. So it's so awesome, and keep following for more episodes. So it's Easter mood, and I just got my nails done and yeah, cause now we got locked in this county, so we're not going to make it to the travel challenge of the year. Before this phase 2 of lockdown, we all made it to 3 counties, so we tried. So we'll be back